Did you know
that mustards kill pathogens in the soil? You can use them as a chop and drop to kill pathogens that prior plants had left behind. It's really excellent to use mustard plants as chop and drop around tomatoes, especially heirloom types who have a tendency to carry some pathogens and diseases.
And did you know
that mustards are in a species of their own? While they're in the Brassica family, they're in a species Brassica genesi, so it can't cross with any brassicas like arugula, like cabbage or kale. You don't have to worry about cross-pollinating from mustards to collards either. Completely different species. Mustards are in a species of their own.
And did you also know
that when mustard plants go to seed, they create little seed pods with tiny little seeds in them that can be soaked and turned into your own honey Dijon mustard at home?
Well, now you know.